Well, last night I decided it was time for my yearly bath. I thought I'd try something new.
Wakey, wakey, rise and shine.
What are you talking about? I don't snore. Of course not. I don't smile. Just woken up. Then I suppose this has worked out rather well.